How to change or edit your profile photo on your Spotify. In this video guys, I will tell you how to do this. Just follow me in this video till the end. So first guys, you have to go and open your Spotify. It will open direct on your home page. Right now, come to your settings and go directly here, click on it and click on edit. So right now on edit, we'll find here change photo, click on it and you will click choose photo or take photo. For example, I will take a photo and I will, as you see, I will just take picture of this, or yes, like this, and then click OK, and then I will choose like this and click use this photo and click save from here. That's it in this video guys. I hope it's useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch channel. See you in another video.